Hello student, I hope you all are safe. Many students have query related notes. So don't worry, I explain it. So you have to write notes in your computer notebook. You have write all exercise which is given in notes. And also tick mark, choose the correct option, fill in the blanks and true or false in your textbook. I hope now your doubts is clear. So let's start with our lesson. And yes, subscribe our channel, like the video and share the video.
Today we continue with our lesson number 3rd. Now our next topic is how to set page margin, which is on page number 34. Page margin is the blank space around the edges of the page. As you have margin in your notebook, similarly you can set margin in your Word document. Now to set margin, first you have to click on page layout. You can see here margin option in page setup group. Click margin. A list of option is appears. Select and click the margin type as you wish to apply to your page. Now our next topic is how to set page orientation. You can see here our next option is orientation. Click on orientation. You can see here two options, portrait and landscape. Suppose I want landscape, so click on landscape option. So you can see here our page in landscape mode. Now again I select portrait, so our page is in our portrait mode. Now our next topic is how to set paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the space before or after a paragraph in a use document. Suppose you have written many paragraphs in your document. Paragraph spacing allow you to add space above or below the selected paragraph. Now to set paragraph, click on page layout. You can see here paragraph group. In paragraph group there are two options, indent and spacing. In spacing there are also two options, before and after. Now click anywhere in the paragraph to set spacing before or after it. Click here. Now click the arrow. You can see here here 0 pt and in after 10 pt. Suppose I click this arrow, so you can see the output. Now suppose I click on after, you can see here space is set in our two paragraphs. See. Now our next topic is how to set line spacing. Line spacing is the space between the line of the text in a document. Now how to set line spacing, go into the home menu. You can see here line and paragraph spacing. Now select one paragraph. Now suppose I select 2.5, so you can see here line spacing is 2.5. Now again I change the line spacing option. You can see the output. Now our next topic is how to insert symbols. In MS Word there are some special symbol which you can insert in your Word document. To add symbol, go into the insert tab. You can see here symbol option. There are many symbols. There are another option is more symbols. Click on more symbols. You can see lots of symbols is available in Word. See here lots of symbols. Now suppose I want rupees symbol. Select rupees symbol and insert. See here, rupees symbol is inserted in our Word document. Suppose I want to insert here, so click on symbol. Suppose I want alpha symbol, click on alpha symbol. You can see here symbol is inserted in our Word document. Suppose beta, I want beta symbol, click on beta. So you can use symbol using symbol option in our Word document. Now our next topic is how to apply shadow effect to the shape. You can learn shapes in standard 5th. Now we give the shadow effect on the shape. Suppose I insert smiley symbol shapes in our Word document. So you can see here our smiley symbol is inserted. Now give the shadow effect. So click on format menu, shadow effect. Choose one option from shadow effect. Suppose I select this. So you can see here shadow effect is inserted in our Word document. Now next topic is how to apply 3D effect to the shape. Click on shape first. Now format menu. Now go into the shape effect. You can see here 3D rotation option. You can click on some style. Suppose I click on this option. You can see our shapes in 3D effect. Now our next topic is how to change the position of an object or image. You can place an object or image at the different position anywhere within the text. This makes your document more attractive and enhance its presentation. To change the position of the object, click on first image, click on format menu. You can see here position option is in arrange group. So you can select position. Now suppose I click on position in top center with square text wrapping. So you can see here our image is in top position in our page. Suppose I click on this option, position in the middle left with the square text wrapping. So you can see here our image is in middle of the page. Suppose I click on position in bottom, so our image is in bottom of the page. Suppose I click on position in top left, so our image is in top left of our page. I hope you understand this practical. Thank you.